8-step practical problem solving. Step 7, check results. Check results, key teach points. Check countermeasure impact. How much did we close the gap? Can we remove containment? Evaluate and share results. Checking countermeasure impact. We do this by asking, did we meet the target after we've implemented each countermeasure? Ongoing measurement enables understanding of the impact of each countermeasure, i.e., how much and when. Use the measures identified in Step 4 target setting. Summarise the results data to show conclusions. Did we meet the target? Evaluate results and countermeasure process effectiveness. Example shows the effect of countermeasures on a process scrap reduction. The target is shown in the yellow bars, and the green bars show the effect of the containment action. This is spread over each month. Show what you are changing through the countermeasures is improving the process or solving the problem. Countermeasures check and adjust. Follow a plan, do, check, act process flow when checking countermeasures and their implementation effect. Check the results against the target and decide what steps to take next. Check impact to the ideal situation. By how much did we close the gap? What else do we need to do? Do you need to solve more problems to pursue to close the whole gap to the ideal situation? Check the impact of countermeasures on the original gap. Here's an example for manufacturing scrap. Always go see to verify results and grasp the real situation. Can we remove the containment? Containment is cost and waste, extra time, management, resources, etc., not originally planned into service or product cost. Have countermeasures been effective? Can we remove containment without incident to the process customer? If we don't remove it, it becomes part of the process and a waste. Capture other benefits. Summarise and share any other benefits and learnings gained from your problem-solving activity that are not directly connected to your target gap closure. Some examples could be: you closed the efficiency gap, but you can also respond to customers in half the time now. You achieved your lead time target gap, but you also reduced walking distance for team members by 20%. Help to develop the organisation. What is also the potential benefit, if any, of implementing the learnings elsewhere? Evaluate and share results. Evaluate the overall results and the processes used. Then share the evaluation with involved team members. Evaluate from 3 key viewpoints: customers, the organisations and your own. Understand the factors behind the success or failure. What the A3 story should look like. Checking results should give a clear understanding of the impact of changes made. A good A3 for Step 7 check results will show these key points: visualisation of the impact of each countermeasure as it's implemented, if the containment activities were removed, visualisation of the impact on the gap, and any other results and benefits to show.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest lean content.